Welcome back to EDU-Tutor. Today we want to look at books of original entry, and we're also going to look at the steps of the accounting cycle and the types of journals, which is another term for books of original entry. We're going to be looking at source documents as well. So let us dig into what are books of original entry. So before we can look at what books of original entry are, we want to look at the steps of the accounting cycle. Now remember that where we get information to put into the accounting cycle is from the source documents. So when we get that receipt or when we get that invoice or when we get that purchase order, we're going to collect the necessary information from the source document and put it in the different types of journals. Now, after we prepare our journals, we're going to now prepare our ledger accounts, which is also known as our T accounts. Then we're going to transfer our balances to our trial balance, and then we prepare our other types of financial statements. Now, the important part that we want to look at today is the journals. Now, the journals is also known as the books of original entry. All right, and that's what we're looking at. Now, there are seven journals or there are seven books of original entry. Please make note of these. The first one is the sales journal, which is also known as the sales daybook or the sales book. We also have the purchases journal, which is also known as the purchases daybook and the purchases book. We have the returns inwards journal, which is also known as the returns inwards daybook or the returns inwards book. We also have the returns outwards journal, which is also known as the returns outwards daybook or the returns outwards book. Number five, the cash book, and everybody should be used to the cash book. Number six, the journal, which is also known as the general journal. And number seven is the petty cash book. Now, if you look in this playlist, you will see the different videos on each type of journals. For this video, it is just an introduction to the different types of original books of original entry. All right. So if you want to see each journal or if you want to know about each journal, watch the video that has the title of that journal. All right. So these are the different types of books of original entry. And what do we use books of original entry to do? So books of original entry are where we first enter information from our source documents. After we enter the information in our books of original entry, the accounts are opened in one of the three ledgers. Now remember that we have three ledgers. We have our sales ledger, our purchases ledger, and our general ledger. All debtors accounts will go to our sales ledger. All creditors accounts will go to our purchases ledger. And then every other account will go to our general ledger. So let me repeat. All debtors accounts or all account receivables, they will go to our sales ledger. All creditors accounts or all payables accounts, they will go to our purchases ledger. And all other accounts will go to our general ledger. All right. Now, what are source documents? Now, source documents are where we get the information that we put in our journals. So the information used to prepare journals is usually taken from a source document. A source document would be an original record containing the details of transactions that should be entered into the accounting system. Now, here are a few examples. We have credit notes, sales invoice, purchases invoice, debit notes, deposit slips, bank statements, checks, receipts, and petty cash voucher are just a few of the different source documents that we have. All right. Now, this is an example of an invoice. I'm not sure if you're seeing it clearly. So this is for ABC Enterprises, and it has the necessary information, the date, the address of the customer, and the items that the customer would have purchased. All right. And another one that I gave in this video would be the credit note. All right. So thank you for watching. Please, if you want to see the different journals, watch the videos that are attached to this playlist. All right. Thank you. Bye.